everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper shoulder tap plank. So for this movement, we only need our mats. Have your mats ready. Step 1, we're going to start on our knees, our hands right below the shoulders, right here. Step 2, you're going to slowly come up on your toes, keeping your back straight, nice and flat. Don't drop your hips or lift your hips up like this either. Make sure you're keeping your neck in a neutral position as well. So not this and not this, right here. From this position, you're going to slowly bring your hand to your opposite shoulder, tap, pause for 1 second, slowly bring it down. Pause, and then down. Pause, slowly down. Imagine there's a glass of water on your lower back. That's how straight your back should be. Make sure you're not doing this. Not this. Pause, down. Pause for 1 second, down. And also make sure you're not doing this. Right here. You need to keep your body stable. Don't move your body. Right here. See me from the front. Hands right below the shoulders. Pause, down. Pause, and down. Modify. You can do this on your knees, right here. Perfect. So this works your whole body, of course your upper body, but as well as your lower body. So it's a great total body movement. I would suggest trying 6 to 10 times repetitions for 3 sets total. You can start on your knees if you're a beginner, and slowly, as you practice, as you do, go on, as you move on, you can come up on your toes and do a couple. Half on your knees, half on your toes. Eventually, you can do the whole thing on your toes. So that's it for today, shoulder tap plank. Thank you so much, everyone. And if you have any questions on how to do a certain exercise, please write in the comments below, and I'll make sure to film that for you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!